Now, in order to install MongoDB server, we need to go to the official website, which is mongodb.com/download-center. I just give it a simple Google search, Mongo and download, hit enter, and the second one that appeared is this one. As you can see at this moment, we have a couple of options. We can choose to install either community server or enterprise server. If you are choosing enterprise server, here on the right side you can see the version, which is 3.6.3. is the same version that I have installed at this moment and which I build the website. And right underneath you have a drop down list with a couple of options depending on your operating system. If you are working with Windows, you have just one, the last one. Select it, then hit download. Before hitting download, I have to mention that for any reason that you encounter another version at the moment that you are starting to build a website and 3.6.3 is no longer available, just choose to download the last one. I didn't do something extra or something that is depending on this version, okay? It's just some basic things that we need to do for our website. So I'm pretty sure that future versions will work as well. So let's hit download. Remember, we are on enterprise version and is free of charge, as I already mentioned. Here you have a couple of boxes with some basic information about yourself, and after that hit submit and download should start automatically. Remember that in some situations, if you are using Chrome, download might not start automatically, so try to do it with Firefox or some other web browser. If for any reason you choose not to download the enterprise server, you can go as well for community server. As you can see here, you have three options depending on your operating system, and then hit download.